Dear students, I have a task for you and I will ask question and you will give me answer in your voice and you will send me your voice. Question number 1. How many children does Anne have? Question number 2. How did Anne ring her family? Question number 3. Why did Pom get frostbite? Question number 4. How many men walked with Anne and Caroline to the North Pole? Question number 5. Why did Jim wake up one night? Question number 6. How many people completed the journey with Jim? Question number 7. Why could not Pom finish the walk? Question number 8. Why do you think shark swam round Jim's boat? Okay students, now you send me your answer in your voice. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.